Salesforce's Contact Center for Government Health helps government healthcare providers, payers, and public health agencies service their constituents faster with a connected, personalized experience. Your service representatives start their day on their homepage, where they manage residents applying for, enrolled in, or seeking information on community programs. And with each incoming inquiry or phone call, service reps are immediately presented with a 360-degree view of the resident, including their case and contact record. In the console layout, they can easily grab key information for next steps and are offered intelligent recommendations and next best actions, like verifying the member's insurance in advance of an upcoming procedure. If the member wants to know more about their benefits for the procedure, your service rep can launch the member verification flow to verify and update information, or even submit a prior authorization. The member is then sent a text message directing them to make an appointment in the portal or through the app. The case is then automatically routed to the member's care coordinator for their upcoming post-acute care management. In the meantime, the resident can then look up information around social services they're entitled to through their preferred channel. Government health organizations can empower their service representatives to quickly aid residents, beneficiaries, and patients when they need it on the channel of their choice with Salesforce's scalable contact center solution.